Imagine your sharpest memories. That first kiss, your kid's laugh, slipping away like sand through fingers not from plaques or tangles, but from starving brain cells running on empty. What if the fix wasn't a pill for gunked-up proteins, but a jolt to the tiny power plants inside every neuron? A 2025 study drops a bombshell. Scientists built a tool that revs up those engines, flipping memory loss in dementia mice like a switch. No pathology cleared, just pure energy boost. But here's the twist keeping families and forums buzzing. Is this the dawn of reversal therapies, or a lab trick too wild for human brains? Dive in as we unpack the science, the heartaches, and whispers of a metabolic conspiracy that could rewrite aging. Your brain guzzles 20% of your body's fuel, and mitochondria, those powerhouses of the cell from high school bio, crank it out. In Alzheimer's and frontotemporal dementia, these organelles sputter, oxygen uptake crashes, and neurons flicker out. Past studies spotted the glitches: shrunken mito in AD brains, fragmented chains in FTD. But correlation isn't causation. Was low energy the villain? Or just a sidekick to amyloid plaques and tau knots? Enter the Neurocenter Magendie team in France, teaming with Canadian researchers. Their 2025 Nature Neuroscience paper nails it. Crank the mito dial, and memories snap back. No more guessing. It's direct proof that energy famine drives the fog. Etienne Hébert-Chatelain, the lead, calls it a causal link, shifting the hunt from symptoms to the spark that keeps thoughts firing. But building that proof, it took a tool straight out of sci-fi. Meet Mito Dread G's, a chemogenetic wizard cooked up in Bordeaux labs. Dread, designer receptors. Exclusively activated by designer drugs, swaps natural signals for lab-made ones. Zero off-target chaos. This version homes in on mitochondria, tethering a G's receptor right to their outer membrane. Pop in clozapine N-oxide, CNO, an inert pill, and boom, G-as fires, kicking off pKa cascades that spike membrane potential, ramp oxygen guzzling, and assemble energy factories. In Petri dishes, it lit up cultured neurons like Christmas, boosting ATP without touching the rest of the cell. Reddit geeks lit up too, explaining it's no lone drug. It's a gene tweak plus ligand tag team, perfect for pinpoint control. Fans speculate this mito hack could tweak other organs, but the brain's the star. Hippocampus injections via virus, and the engines roar. Yet lab wins whisper a bigger question. Can it conquer the chaos of real disease? Fast forward to fuzzy-brained mice, bred to mimic our worst fears. APP-PS1 pups pack amyloid overload like early AD, P301S models tangle tau for FTD vibes, both showing hippocampal mito slump and memory wipeouts. Standard test, novel object recognition, healthy mice geek out on new toys, dementia ones shrug like they've seen it all. Enter the tool. Viral zap to the hippo. Wait weeks for receptors to settle, then 1 CNO dose post-training. Results: jaw drop. AD mice perked up, exploring fresh cubes like kids in a candy store. FTD ones nailed the task, deficits dusted. THC-dosed mice, foggy from cannabinoid mito sabotage, cleared their heads too. No more catalepsy or blank stares. All without shrinking plaques or untangling tau. It's energy alone, flipping the switch on recall. One X-thread from August 2025 hailed it mouse miracle. But skeptics jab, rodents ain't us, and reversals faded post-dose. Still, the causal punch lands hard. Hope flickers, but forums froth with, "What about now?" hacks. CoQ10 fans swear it juices mito, with a 2025 review nodding modest lifts in mild impairment. Your uncle's supplement stack might not be bunk. Creatine? A PubMed hit from 25 shows 20 green daily nudging cognition in fatigued elders, tying to energy reserves. NMN buzzes too, but human trials lag, leaving Reddit divided. Placebo or powerhouse? Darker rumors swirl around carbs. 2025 voices like Dr. Fritz on our Science blast insulin resistance as AD's silent driver, glycation gumming mito gears. Overfed brains starve, one post claims, echoing studies linking high-sugar diets to faster decline. And post-COVID, whispers of viral mitochondriopathy hit hard. Long haulers report brain fog mirroring these mice, with 2024 papers speculating spike proteins nick energy hubs. CFS crews chime in, demanding trials. It's a mito manifesto. Fix the fuel. Fight the fade. But when grandma forgets your name, theories sting. Dementia's no abstract. It's piano keys silent, recipes lost, a dad staring blank at family photos. Over 55 million worldwide grapple, costs topping $1 trillion yearly, families fracturing under the watch. One Reddit tale guts you. A daughter watching mom's FTD steal stories mid-sentence, mito slump the unseen thief. The studies shine. It reverses without nuking root gunk. Symptoms lift as energy flows, hinting early zaps could stall the slide. Shatland stresses, brain's energy hog, so mito tweaks might buy years, not cures. Emotional X post from 25 plead for speed. My aunt's fading. When's the human switch? Yet joy peeks through mouse wins, fueling caregiver resolve. It's not just science, it's stolen moments reclaimed, one spark at a time. But sparks need safe wiring, and that's where dreams hit walls. Human hurdles loom like storm clouds. Mito dread DGs shines in mice via surgical virus jabs. Invasive for us, ethics boards would balk. Gene therapies creeping closer. 2025 Huntington's brain infusions slowed symptoms, but scaling to hippocampy? Decades off per experts. Translation traps, mouse mito mimic human glitches, but our diseases layer on inflammation, vascular hits. CNO's safe-ish, but brain barriers block easy pills. Chatlin's crew hunts non-invasive mimics, small molecules aping Gs, pKa, or nano deliveries. Speculation ramps. 2025 rumors peg big pharma hoarding mito boosters, fearing cheap fixes like fasting or keto eclipse patents. One forum fears, what if trials prioritize rich elders? Yet optimism brews. If mito's the cause, not curse, multi-angle attacks, energy plus clearance could cascade. The road's rugged, but mice lit the map. This mito marvel cements energy dips as dementia's direct dagger, with a tool flipping memory flops in AD and FTD mice, plaques untouched, recall reborn. From lab boosts to supplement skirmishes, carb conspiracies, and COVID echoes, it's a wake-up. Fuel your brain or fade. Families ache for the leap to us. Barriers be damned. But imagine, suppressed therapies letting millions slip away. Fans speculate a 26 trial surge. Experts urge vigilance on metabolic myths. Rewatch if that chill hits. What's starving your spark? Share below. Mito hope or hype? Your mind might thank you.